Namaste Yogis. Thank you for watching my channel Yoga with Indian Yogi. And today I brought again another very interesting pranayama, which is called Bhastrika Pranayama. In my last video I made a very nice topic which was called what is Bhastrika, and today I brought similar, which is called how to practice Bhastrika, why you should practice Bhastrika, when it is going to be practiced, benefits, and also I will include the disadvantages, means you need to be a little more cautious. So if you did not see that video, I will leave a link in this video so you can have a watch for that related video. So if you are a newcomer, please subscribe my channel, and without wasting time I will come on the topic Bhastrika. As I mentioned in that last video, Bhastrika is a continuous process of inhalation and exhalation to cure the lungs. So the thing is, why should I practice Bhastrika? It's a very interesting and very important pranayama because Bhastrika is a continuous practice. It is practiced to cleanse the blood. And what happens when it goes to your lungs? You are getting that oxygenated blood, which means you are getting proper energy. In Bhastrika, there's a continuous process. Continuous means you are inhaling, exhaling. And I mentioned there were 3 rounds how you reach to the high level, advanced level. But in this video, the main thing is how to practice. Okay, this is the practice, how you will practice. The second thing is when a person should practice it. It's very important. People, they want to practice, they do practice because they don't practice in a good timing, at a good place. So for Bhastrika, you may practice it in early morning before sun rising. That's the time when sun and the moon, their energy is going to be collaborating, is going to be together. So that's the best time when you get that energy. You soothe your mind, you soothe your body. That's the perfect time, early morning. If you don't get that time, the next option is sunset, but that time your body is again ready to re-energize, to rejuvenate. So these are 2 timings when you may practice Bhastrika. Now the benefits of Bhastrika. It's like person, they'll keep practicing, but they don't see the benefits because they don't practice in a proper way. They don't practice in a good place. So to practice Bhastrika, you may practice it in open space if it is possible. If not, please make sure your area is clean, your area is wide, so you have a lot of oxygen available. If you are not getting proper oxygen, proper way of practicing means your practice is not good. So please make sure your area and surrounding is there, it's favorable. Now the thing is the benefits, what you will gain, why should I practice Bhastrika? So in Bhastrika, first thing is because with science, when you are inhaling deeply, when you are exhaling also in a large scale, your blood is going to be purified. And when your blood is purified, means all the ailments, they are going to be get away. Your body is going to be healthy. Your body is going to be shine. So the first thing is it reflects on blood circulation. You get a fast blood circulation. And if you know the third phase of Bhastrika, you increase the blood circulation, so it affects on your heart, When your heart is active, when your heart is healthy, we all know the lungs are healthy. And of course, during that practice, your lungs are involved. They are squeezing, they are getting bigger. So what happens? Your lungs are clear. When your lungs are clear, no asthma, no bronchitis, larynx, pharynx, your lungs, your diaphragm, they become strong, they become clear. So this is the main thing: your lungs, heart, spleen, your liver. Someone has problem, they don't have appetite. This is very effective. As we know in Ayurveda, we say your liver is the king of all the organs. If your liver is healthy, it means you have a good appetite. It's very effective for a good appetite. In yogic science, we talk about Jatragni. Jatragni is fire on your navel, on Manipur chakra. So as we talk about the chakras, channels, so Bhastrika is very good for awakening Manipur chakra, solar plexus. And there's a very important thing, because it reflects your heart. So automatically the heart chakra, it energizes. There's a lot of energy on the heart chakra. So after this pranayama, it's highly advisable to concentrate on your Manipur and on your Anahat, or on the heart chakra. So when these two chakras are active, a person is capable to bring prana from chest to the throat, means heart chakra and Vishuddhi chakra, throat channel, they are much more active. And when you